Hey guys, what's happening over here?
We're using Knockout. Very aggressive, but it's really nice. It's a degreaser. We use it on our diesel motors. Kind of got to spray it on, shake the product first, spray it on, let the foam dissipate.
Okay.
It'll give it a chance to sit there. We also use it in our to clean our radiators out.
Okay.
Watch your step.
Oh, right there.
These things are really nasty, so we use this for a preventative maintenance.
Preventative maintenance in the radiator. Okay.
Help the vehicles run cooler, getting all the soot and the dirt out of here. Let it soak for a little bit.
Good morning. Soot and dirt gets out of there. Okay, perfect. So the Knockout, and it smells so amazing.
Very nice.
Much better than the FlexiCoat. Now, do you rinse this, Jerry?
Definitely rinse it after the foam dissipates.
Now, guys, this is what is called a team effort here. Okay. So we are going to rinse the Knockout. Do you rinse the radiator as well?
You can watch the ground as all the dirt falls off. Yeah.
Okay. Jerry is now spraying it.
Usually a little bit more forceful water stream than we usually have. But
that's okay.
this one does it.
He's saying usually it's a little bit more forceful. So then he just rinses. Oh, it's all steamy. Woo!
You see the dirt rolling off?
Yep. All the dirt on the ground. Okay.
Radiator.
He's gonna rinse the radiator.
It doesn't affect the coils or anything.
It doesn't hurt the coils, he said. It's just helping clean it. The Knockout is safe for it. Very good.